CBI team probably Cooper Hospital. The team was reportedly following up on the autopsy report that doesn't mention the time of the death. Sandhya has been tracking the CBI investigation today. Sandhya, what has been, what has the CBI been up to on day 4, and what is it that they got from Cooper Hospital?
So Tanvi, CBI team started their day with questioning Neeraj, Sushant's househelp, Siddharth Pithani, Sushant's former roommate and his friend, and talking about other steps which are taken by CBI. One CBI team went to Waterstone Resort, a place where Sushant and Rhea lived together for 2 months, and that was the place for where Sushant went for spiritual healing, is what has been told. And actually the same stuff came up in Mumbai Police's investigation as well. So one team was there to question the staff members of Waterstone Restaurant Resort to understand the 2-month stay of the couple. Were there any fights between them? How the payments were made? Who made the payment? What was the mode of the payment? Was there the staff which was regularly in touch with the couple, whether it's the room keeping staff or managerial staff? Did they notice anything unusual about the couple? Who all visited the couple in those 2 months? Some of the questions which were asked by CBI teams. After that, in the evening, one team left for Cooper Hospital, Tanvi, and this was CBI team's second visit to Cooper, because before this, it was on Friday that the teams were in Cooper Hospital. It was, I beg your pardon, it was on Saturday that the team were in Cooper Hospital, and this was the second visit today that one team was again at Cooper Hospital. Though the statement, the detailed statement of those 5 doctors who conducted Sushant's autopsy is yet to be recorded by CBI. But as of now, no clarity on that front, that when is that going to happen. But 2 visits have been paid by CBI to Cooper Hospital. Tanvi.
Okay, so that's, they haven't recorded the statements of the doctors yet who worked on that post-mortem and did the autopsy report. That's something the CBI will definitely look at. Sandhya, the other aspect, of course, has been what Rhea Chakrabarty's legal team clarified today, because obviously every day the one big question everybody is asking is, when will Rhea be questioned? When is it that Rhea Chakrabarty is going to be summoned? Now, we're given to understand they have not received any summons from the CBI so far, and that's what they're saying in the statement, that speculations are not necessary at this point of time. Does it look like CBI is first going to cover their ground with other people who were close to Sushant and then summon CBI? Is it possible, summons Rhea? Is it possible it happens this week?
The possibility is yes, it's there, Tanvi, but as rightly mentioned, that Rhea Chakrabarty's lawyer has clarified that as of now, the family has not been summoned by CBI so far, so no need for any kind of speculation. But yes, before CBI will complete all its groundwork here, and once CBI will have enough material to confront Rhea Chakrabarty on, that is the time it is expected that CBI teams will question Rhea Chakrabarty. But before that, they want to be properly prepared on all fronts, including the detailed examination of forensic evidences, including meeting people, taking the statements of people who were associated with the couple, who were living in the house with the couple, and other related people. And once that will be done, Tanvi, it's expected and it's possible that CBI teams will go ahead and question Rhea Chakrabarty.
All right, Sandhya, thanks so much for joining us and bringing us these updates, keeping a close track on CBI's movements. Today is day 4 of CBI's investigation in Sushant's case here in Mumbai.